Hey folks, it's Dr. Pete Vitale down here at the Chiro Dojo, and I'm here with my friend Stanley the Skull. Say hello, Stanley. Hello there, everybody. I love it here. So anyway, I wanted to talk today about the sagittal suture. What the heck is that, you're asking? Well, if we look at the skull, and I turn it to the top of your skull, you could see, in this light, you could see a little crack at the top of your skull, right along the top of your skull. That's called the sagittal suture. It connects with your frontal bone. And the way that you could tell where the beginning of it is you put your palm on your nose, and about where your finger lands is going to be where that sagittal suture starts. Now, you know, in a baby, this area here is soft. You could actually see the brain. The scalp actually attaches to the covering of your brain. That's why you could see it. Now, as we grow, this fills in, but these cracks still maintain some flexibility and some pliability, especially since the fact that your scalp goes through those cracks and becomes the covering of your brain. So releasing this area here can help to release a lot of pressure in your head. We do a very special technique in the office, but you can do it yourself. When what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers along that crack and then just open it up. You could open up like this. Breathing would help. Breathe in and spread it. So breathing as you're opening this crack. You could also go up and down. You could pinpoint one area. And what you will feel is as you go across this on your own scalp, you may feel a little bit of a divot, a sensitive divot. That's what you're looking for, because that's where you really want to focus on that divot and spread it out, move it side to side, and spreading out that divot of the sagittal suture. Another good area is right where, like I said, where everything meets is right where that fingertip will land, to open that up. To open here in this direction, and then also pushing the forehead away in that direction, like that. So you do it 3 times, just like that. And you don't have to do it hard. You could do it gentle. Sometimes even doing it gentle actually feels better and helps, because sometimes when you do something hard to your body cringes, and you don't want to cringe. You want to be as relaxed as possible, okay? So give this a try. You could do this in bed, just laying there with your hands up, both hands up like that. Let me just show you. Just like this, and spreading the suture, opening, and then opening, pushing this down, okay? Okay, how's my hair look, okay? Good? All right, I'll see you next time at the Chiro Dojo with our series on cranial sacral technique.